5 hot rods, trying to get them hooked up. That is the ticket. BRKT, that is our bracket class racers. Lane number 7. We're going to have our fun run cars brought around to lane number 7 right now, just rounding out basically the second test hits for the day for all of our racers. So just about rounding that out. And there's eliminations to follow here inside the first lane car. Advantage of the fact that you can go over and get yourself some Raceworz swag right now at the Raceworz booth. The trick is getting those cars into second gear. You know, they kind of roll out of there, a lot of power. Yeah. Fiat 500 right there. Back up, not to, got the rear tires staged. I love that.
Be a slow time,
You stage the rear tires and you give yourself an advantage on the starting line. Hey, wait a minute. There you go. Yeah, our starter Mike, he knows the difference. I think we're going to get something out on the racetrack right now. Fun runs coming around in lane number 7. And down the racetrack we go. Do a bit of cleanup. Just a bit of cleanup, just a spot of cleanup.